Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? Welcome back. In today's video, we'll be delving deep into SOXL. We previously shared an overview on our website, but now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's crucial to stay informed about any updates that could impact your investments. Looking to enhance your trading decisions? We've got you covered with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Discover the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. As a reminder, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.17. Now, let's take a closer look at how the stock has performed during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 18.36% since we first listed SOXL as a buy candidate 19 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has returned 0.97% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend and shows potential for further growth. Based on the short-term trend, there is a projected 67.1% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 52.71% and 95.11%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 53.06% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -18.39% to 72.16%. This translates to a price range of $27.46 to $57.93 after 12 months. Our latest update for SOXL brings exciting news. The SOXL ETF price closed at $33.65 on Friday, marking a gain of 3.7%. On the last trading day, Friday, February 2, 2024, the SOXL ETF price experienced a positive jump, rising from $32.45 to $33.65. Throughout the day, the ETF's value fluctuated between a low of $32.17 and a high of $33.92, representing a 5.44% difference. Although the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still down by -3.47% for this period. It's worth noting that volume has increased along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In fact, approximately 10 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 67 million shares bought and sold for around $2.27 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $39.53, while the lowest price reached $12.52. Currently, the price is 14.87% or $5.88 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 91.1% or $344.59 below the all-time high on November 26, 2020, when it reached $378.24. Let's discuss the signals identified for the SOXL ETF. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. With the short-term average above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the ETF, implying a positive forecast for the stock. As the ETF progresses, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $33.99. Conversely, if it falls, there could be support from the long-term average at approximately $30.98. A break above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average would prompt a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, shows a buy signal. The rising volume along with the price is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could potentially impact the near short-term development. On Wednesday, January 24, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -10.22% so far. It is anticipated that the ETF may experience further decline until a new bottom pivot is identified. Today, we'll discuss some interesting signals that you might find useful for your trading decisions. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence signal, which indicates a buying opportunity. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which suggested a sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger is showing a buy signal that occurred 36 days ago. The short-term moving average signal was a sell 7 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average signaled a buy opportunity 20 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 59 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart to gain further insights. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 56 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 44 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals and information. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. When it comes to the downside, the ETF, SOXL, has support levels just below today's level. These support levels are determined by accumulated volume and can be found at $31.19 and $28.43. It's important to note that there is a certain level of risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level. If the support level is broken, the ETF may then fall to the next support level. In the case of SOXL, if the support at $31.19 is broken, the next support levels are at $28.43 and $28.10. SOXL is known for its high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements during the day. The Bollinger Band, a technical analysis tool, indicates a large prediction interval for this ETF, further highlighting its very high-risk nature. In the last day, the ETF had a price range of $1.75 or 5.44% between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the average daily volatility of the ETF has been 6.04%. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SOXL. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $34.86. If you're not currently holding any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $31.19. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $31.73, which is a decrease of 5.72%. This particular ETF experiences significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 7 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a generally good trend. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. However, it's important to note that our systems indicate the current price is overvalued, based on the volatility and movements from the last trading day. Looking ahead to Monday, February 5th, we anticipate that SOXL will open lower, with a decrease of $0.403, and start trading at $33.25. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome back. Today, we want to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Leave a comment below and share your valuable insights. We're also curious about your target for the ETF. Let's engage in a meaningful discussion. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. We are committed to helping you succeed in your trading endeavors. Lastly, we want to wish you a successful day of trading. From all of us here at Stock Invest, have a beautiful day and happy investing.